Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to make a scrap patchwork bag. But before I start, as usually, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. Thank you. For the pattern, you can download from the link I've written on the description. And let's get started. These are material I've prepared, and you can have the detail of it on the description. And now we will start from the lining. For the lining, we need a zipper, 2 pieces of fabric for pocket, and 2 pieces fabric for main body. We also need a piece of fabric for the base. This is for its zipper. We need 2 pieces for main exterior and 2 pieces for its lining. We also need a zipper. And these are like interlining. I use 2 kind of interlining. First it is fusible interlining, and the second is EVA foam for interfacing of main body. And now this is our 4 straps. You may use for the long strap. I've made the tutorial. You can watch previous tutorial. I use a synthetic leather on it. And this is the interlining for the handles. It is up to you if you want to use another interlining or interfacing. Here for the tutorial I use EVA foam. And this is for the long strap. So use your stripe of scraps on your desired patterns. And here I use a thin paper to stabilize it. And then after all the scrap is sewn, just tear the paper out. And then put the fusible interlining on it and iron it. Okay, now making the pocket. Put the zipper between lining and main interior in order as seen. The right side of the main interior meet the slider and right side of the lining. Stitch it using a zipper foot. And then flip it out and top stitch it. Put the pocket on the lining. Stitch the unsewn side of the zipper to the lining. Fold it back and make a small stitch all along the pocket edges. Put the right side of the pocket lining to the right side of outer pocket and stitches. Flip it over and top stitches. And then put the magnetic button on it right in the center of the pocket and main exterior. The female one is on the main exterior and the male one is on the pocket. Make a small stitches to keep them in a line. And now, sew a piping cord and bias tape all around the main exterior. You may put clip on it before sewing to keep them in place. And of course, we have to use a Teflon piping foot to do so. Well, now do the same process to the another main exterior, making a recessed zipper and handles. Put the main exterior to a zipper, right side together. Make sure you've already made a mark for the center of the panel. Then put lining on it and stitches. Okay, flip it and top stitches. Do the same process to the other main exterior and lining. The wider one. It will be the back part of the recessed zipper. It is done. Now put it aside and we'll make handles. First, make an oval ring holder. I use an oval ring here, but if you have a D-ring, it will be more suitable. Now we will make a holder. Fold the fabric, the end of the panels, and insert if a foam other interlining on it. Stitch the ends of the panel. Do for the both ends. Fold it again and top stitch it all around the panel. Use a very small seam allowance. And then fold the raw edges of the panel. You can glue it or just put clips on it. Stitches all around the panel. Sew it to the recessed zipper main exterior. Make sure that the lining is free, not included to the sewing. And do the same to the oval ring connector. And then put the main exterior for the base to the ends of the recessed zipper. Sew it. Use 1 cm for seam allowance, 2 for the both ends. Assembling the main exterior. These are ready 3 panels from front, back, and the recessed zipper with a base, as I call it, cassette. Turn the inside out and then put the center of the cassette to the center of the front panel, right side together. Put clips on it and stitches all around the edges. Do the same to the back with pocket. Put the upper and lower center together. Then you can just adjust the rest of the seams. And now we do the lining. Similar to the previous process, we put base, back, and front panel together. Use the lower center as pivot point to adjust the seams. Pin it first before sewing and make sure that you make a small cuts on every corner to make it easier on adjusting the seams. And then start and end sewing about 1.5 or 2 cm from the edges of the base. Join the lining panel to the exterior panel. Swing the ends of the lining base to the ends of the recessed zipper. Make sure their right sides match. Okay, now turn the inside out. Insert a IFA form or another kinds of interfacing into lining and main exterior. fit the lining to close. Hand stitch it with the back stitch. You may watch my videos 12 basic hand stitches tutorial. Well, it's done, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. Push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.